press red subscribe button and icon bell to get latest update. Good evening friends, today we will learn how to use 2 or more accounts of the same application like a Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, Snapchat, Instagram or of any other applications at the same Android phone at the same time.
Good evening friends, my name is ZB, and you are watching Technology Made Easy. Let's start to learn.
First of all, open the Play Store in your Android phone and search for MoChat. Now click on this MoChat app, click Installed, and after installation click Open. The application will open, and now you can see the plus icon below. Just press it, then all the application of your Android phone will come on the screen. Now just press the clone or add option. Let's say I'm going to press the clone option in front of WhatsApp. Now give name to this clone app, and the WhatsApp number 2 is in front of us. Let's open it. Now complete the process to use the second account on your Android phone. Press on WhatsApp for 1 second and bring it to create shortcuts, so the shortcut will be created on home screen. Now you can see on my home screen that I have 2 WhatsApp applications. I hope you enjoy this video. Thumbs up and subscribe my channel Technology Made Easy to get latest updates.